Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and in this logical program series we are going to learn the new program of factorial number. So for the factorial number, again move to the Eclipse, and here I will create one more class and then name it like factorial number with the main method. And now for example, let's try to understand what is the factorial number. Okay, so for example, we have 4 and we need to find out the factorial of 4. So let's try factorial of 4 like this. So this is the symbol I can say. So in this particular thing, what we need to do, we need to multiply 1 by 2 by 3 by 4 up to 4. So like this, and here we'll get 4 plus 22 24. Okay, so this is what the expected output. If we are going to find out the for fifth or 5 factorial, then I will make it like 5, and here I will need to multiply it by 5 again. Okay, so that become 120. So this is what the thing we need from the program. So this is what the factorial series. So whatever the number we have, we need to multiply that up to that number, we can say. So let's try to find out the factorial number. Let's shoot this here. And now for example, if we have one number like equal to 5, so what's our target? That we need to find out the factorial of 5. And for that, what I will do, I will declare one variable like fact equal to 1. This is required. Okay, and now I will apply the for loop, because we need to apply the any iteration depending upon the number we are trying to find the factorial. So now I will start like integer I equal to 1. Now that should be remember that we need to start from 1, not from 0. Here we are going to start the value of I from 1, not from 0, because if we try to start from 0, then our output will be 0. So I will explain this later. So remember, in the case of factorial program, we need to start the value of I as a 1, then I less than equal to factorial number, whatever the number we are applying, and then I plus plus. So like this. Okay, no need to do like this. Okay, this is better. Now here I will apply a simple formula like fact is our variable, fact equal to factorial into I. So this is the simple formula for calculating the factorial. And now finally we are going to print output over here like this. So I can say factorial of plus, I can say num, again plus, I'm just trying to concat for the proper output, plus fact. So let's try to execute this. So here we can see that the factorial of 5 is 120. Even we can make this more proper like this. Okay, now we are getting factorial of 5 is 120. Even if you are trying to enter any value like 10 over here, then we'll get the factorial of 10 like 1 no sorry. Okay, what we need to do, we need to make it here as a number, then that will be the correct program. So now we can say that factorial of 10 is like this. So we need to find out the factorial of 5 itself. So let's concentrate on that itself. So we are getting 120. So this is the correct program or logic, I can say. Now how it works. So now we start from 0. So what I told you, that we should start from 1 itself, not 0. If I apply I equal to 1 as a 0, then every time the 0 will be multiplied to the factorial, and that becomes 0. So every time we are multiplying the 0 with the some another number. So if I execute, then I am getting the factorial of I as 0. So that's why we should start it from 1. Remember this thing, that is important. And now what is happening over here, as we can see that here I equal to 1. Okay, and the condition is like 1 less than equal to number means 5. So as condition is true, so I can say that fact equal to, so fact, what is fact is 1, so this is 1 into You can say I is 1. So here we are getting 1. Then the pointer will comes here. Okay, after there it will increment the value of I. Now I become 2 and the condition become 2 less than equal to 5. As condition is true again, so it will again enter into this particular loop. Now the value of factorial is 1 and the value of I is, we can see that the value of I changed from 1 to 2. So here fact is 1 like this and I is 2. So this is 2. So this become 2. Now again this will come here and after coming again it will increment the value of I. So it become 3. Now 3 less than equal to 5, the condition is true again, it will again enter here. Now factorial, the value of factorial is 2. The latest value of factorial is 2. So here I will write down 2 and now the value of I is 3. So here 2 become 3 and it where here we'll get the 6. Then again we'll come to here, again the value of I change as a 4. The condition is 4 less than equal to 5. Again it is satisfied. Then again as we are having the value of factorial as a 6, so here 6 is the latest value. I is 4 like this and here we can see 24 is the output. Now again it will come to here, again jump to here and now I become 5. The condition become 5 less than equal to 5. 2 again it will enter into here and here we got the, sorry, here we got the 24 and the value of I become 5 and we'll get the 120, 120. Again it will come to here, again it will increment the value of I. Now the value of I is 6. Okay, as the value of I is 6, so what can I say, sorry, what happened over here, the condition become 6 less than equal to 5. So now condition become false. So as condition become false, the loop will terminate and we will get the value like this. So if I again execute this, so I'm getting the factorial of I is 120. So in this way we can find out the factorial number. Thank you.